Also tonight, it could have been much worse. That's what firefighters are saying about a fire at a senior living community in Oakland. It started just before 6 a.m. at the Grand Lakes Gardens, which is a high-rise senior facility near Lake Merritt. A resident told firefighters that she saw her power strip spark, catch a blanket and couch on fire. It took more than 80 firefighters to help rescue and evacuate the 85 people living in the building, many who were in wheelchairs and have limited mobility. 3 residents and a firefighter were hospitalized for smoke inhalation. Several others were treated on the scene. But again, this could have been much worse. Quick work by the fire crews kept the flames contained to the 5th floor.
Scary, very scary. Wake up at 6 with a noise and lights going on and instructions to shelter in place. Never happened to me before. I hope it never happens again.
Yeah, crews faced another challenge. When they arrived, they initially had trouble connecting their hoses to the building's emergency water supply. They say confusing labeling on the fire pipes there led them to tap into the wrong one. In total, 80 people were displaced, most of them taken to another facility, a sister facility nearby. Now, our investigative unit is on this story, getting more information about what went wrong and what went right. Let's bring in NBC's Jaxon Derbeken. Jaxon, you've discovered that this building was actually inspected by the Oakland Fire Department just last week. Any red flags here?
Well, it turns out the fire department did inspect Grand Lake Gardens last Friday. Inspectors found the fire sprinkler system was functioning fine, but they did issue this notice to owners that includes a citation for alarm-related problems inspectors said posed immediate life safety hazards. We know it involved the alarm system on the 6th floor on one of the 2 buildings. And although the inspector labeled it as an immediate hazard, fire officials told us today the problem involved a lack of proper signage and that the alarm system performed well today.
What about other fire safety issues at that senior center? Anything else pop up?
Well, one good side, the fire crews say that the fire doors worked, preventing the fire from spreading even faster. They sent us a couple of pictures showing them, and you can look and see here how charred this fire door is. They're designed to withstand fire for an hour, and you can see how the fire gutted part of that 5th floor door and the floor around it in the room, and firefighters say the fire doors along with the sprinkler system likely saved lives.
That is very good sign right there. We mentioned just a minute ago fire crews had trouble, though, tapping into the building's fire pipe system. That's the water system there. What exactly does that mean?
Well, they have what they call a standby system, and it functions like a giant hose that's inside the walls. And you've got it helps get up the firefighting water to where it's needed. And in this case, when they found that the displays on the manifold, they couldn't quite necessarily figure out which led to where, so they decided in the pinch that they were basically going to string together hoses from the hydrants nearby.
Okay, ultimately, no fatalities, no serious injuries as far as we know, so relatively successful to get this all extinguished. Thank you, Jaxon.